In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit text on StrawPage. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to click on this plus button at the bottom, and then you want to select where you want your text to appear, and click on the text button here at the top right. Now, from here, as of course as an example here, there's going to be random text, and if you want to edit this, you have a few options. Now, down at the bottom here, you can rotate it. You could go and scale it like that, so make it bigger or smaller. You could go and change its width like this, which will of course make it look better, or the height as well in case you have like a lot of text. Okay, now these are the essentials, but of course you can edit this text completely. So to edit it, all you have to do is simply click on it, and then here of course you could delete it, you could clone it, but then here you have two different editors. The first one is the new editor, so if you click on it up top, it's going to give you like a new panel where you can edit your text. And if I now click on this text, I can go and change it to whatever, for example, hello there. And of course, I can just highlight this text, and then I can make it bold, I can make it italic, I can underline it, I can do a strike through just like this. Now, all of these things are possible. And then here you can also change the color of this text. So if I want it to be like purple, as you can see, it's now purple. There we go. And what you can also do is select this part over here, which will, of course, whenever you click on a random color, kind of highlight your text just like this. Okay. So that's essentially how you can edit your text in the new editor. So if I now click on the done button over here, this is now my new text. But of course, if you click on it, you could also use the classic editor, which will allow you to basically edit text down here in this box. And then there's the same functions over here at the bottom left. And there's also one more, which adds a link onto your text, but that's also a separate button, which I'm going to show you in a few seconds. So over here, you also have the font. So if I click on the font over here, let me also just change this back to that. There we go. If I change the font, I could go and change to anything over here. So for example, if I select this one, there we go, it's going to change it. I can change the text size over here very easily as well. And then if I go forward, you have the links. You could go and basically paste in a URL and then make this text clickable. You could also go and of course link to something else. You could like make it scroll to another element. You could link to another page if you have it, etc. Then you can change the background. Of course, we've seen that earlier already. You could put on audio on your text. You could add a border. So for example, if I go and do a border color and I make it like cold and dark, there we go, it's going to give it a border right here. I can make it scrollable. So if you have like a lot of text, you can of course make it scrollable where people can scroll and kind of see it within that specific box, just like this. And then what you can also do is align it, so to the left, middle, or of course to the right. It's up to you, whichever one you want to do. And then you have this fun button over here, which is going to allow you to basically put on some effects, like some cool blinking effects. It can make it 3D. There could be like a lot of different things in case you want that as well. Okay, now here at the bottom left, if you don't like your changes, you can just always go back and undo. Now last but not least, we're going to check the positioning over here, and you have also more things over here. So if you do more things, you could go and change different spacings and text outline colors, etc. There's a bunch of different editing tools you could actually take. You have the position where you can move forward one or back, you can move behind or in front, etc. Then you could lock it in position, so it basically disables any movement of this specific block on your page, on your straw page over here. And then you have the precision, which is going to allow you to precisely move this element using these arrows over here. So that's essentially a full guide on how to edit text on StrawPage. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.